I don't see anybody. Straight ahead. There's the M&S. Where they at, Melvin?
Yep. Sean.
Hey, medic. Brother up. Yeah.
They're over in the grass.
Hey, get this. Where's he at? Hey, Gina. Move, Colton. Oh, that was close. That's fucking good.
Sean's down.
Got him.
Yeah.
Whoa!
He's dead.
That's going to the yellow Connex.
Hey!
Yellow Connex. On the left corner.
Overwrapped on top of the hill.
Got him. Yep. Oh, you got him?
Not over in the Space Cafe, bro.
I'm dead.
Stop.
I'm a dead man. I'm dead.
He's dead.
He's a dead dude. Yes. I'm being saved. I'm bleeding.
Perfect. Let me in here. Thank you. Yeah, they're. Oh, fuck. They're. You can't see it. They're coming on the corner there.
That's the
There's a
gunshot.
lot of people back
Oh, yeah? The left of the gunshot, sorry.
Oh, no.
Is the animal medal here?
There you go. What do you want to walk about? I ain't got no one there.
Hey, Colton, look this way. Behind that building.
Behind that building?
There's one behind that building back there, yep. You're going to run for it while we're getting fixed. Oh, out! Out! You got a medic? Medic! Shit, he's going to push this corner. You better get him, Colton. Swing out and get him, Colton. He's right there. Medic!
Of course, now it decides to
I don't think there's any
unwind.
medics.
You out, Phil?
Medic! I'm coming out.
Don't let us know you're running in. I about popped you. Elvin, you hear that? Michael, you got eyes on that building that's got the African shield or whatever?
Huh?
You got one in there. He's just kind of playing peekaboo.
Okay.
Oh, the guy way at the back?
Kind of, sort of.
There's a guy in the pile behind behind the building right in front of us.
Comment, you still at the Capitol? Hey, around the Adrian.
Hello, I'm joining you for battle.
Ready to press up? Alvin,
What?
you want to wake up?
Oh, you should. Plenty. Oh, guys.
What's with this water?
I see you walking.
There are the trees to our left.
I see it. See that show? I see what we're getting over there. Need a mag.
Oh. They're about 20 feet behind the white trailer to the left of it. Oh, here, you gotta move down, bud.
What?
There's a guy right over that way.
Hey, there's a ring up here.
Oh, what? Oh, for a grenade. Here, you gotta move, my guy.
Left side, watch left side. Medic!
I'm legit the only teammate in my squad that I haven't fully died.
Wait, you name?
Yeah, I would not stand here. Oh, I stand still like a fucking pork thing. Wow, not a single one of those.
Hello there.
Yeah, I was having that guy. Maybe three.
Yeah. I don't know how that dude didn't hit me, man.
Luck.
Right side of the white trailer.
Luck, that's what it's called.
Hey! Hey! Bring me him! Please! Left side! Hey! Hey! Can you go grab that guy right there and bring him to me? Please? Right barrel! Left side!
One of you are coming with me. I'm still in you.
Thank you. Got one.
No, baby, you stop!
Hey, don't leave me behind!
You're getting left behind by your squad.
That's my buddy. I know there's something in that Cronex that we'll have to get to eventually. There are vials and shit.
Oh, is there?
I don't know when that game is, but that part of the game is. But
Power from that one a bit, so they might be going.
he's behind yellow Cronex over here.
Yeah.
Red Cronex over here.
It was.
Are either one of you coming back for the night game?
I probably
Where they at, Melvin?
I guess it's fucking yellow. Never mind. Sorry, guys.
We want to push up? Window.
Right over to the bed of the cafe.
Behind red box to your left, right there.
I think you have to say hit.
Huh?
I think you have to say hit for him to stop.
My hand up is enough.
Hello. medic for a medic. Impressive.
Medic, hey! No medic, alright, we'll go with Sean.
Can I squeeze by this?
So where you at?
I don't know.
Right side of town, Phil? Where you at? Either way, on this objective. Okay, here I come. You doing the so much? Yeah.
Are they on the ridge there? Is that what you see around? See that tree? That tree that rock out in front of me? Gotcha. They're bobbing on me.
Oh, I see him.
Hey, second story of the destroyed building. Tell him the medic. Hey. Tell him the medic. He asked who he should revive. Medic.
They're coming over here too.
Yeah.
They're trying to wrap all the way around them.
No, I'm
Over
fine.
there. No bad. It's that right side.
Alright. I'm thinking about going down on the ridge though.
Okay. What are you doing back there? Head up with Lyle. He needs help over on the left. Hey, now,
I'm inside it.
Hey, switch up sides with your gun.
Yeah, no, I'm pinned down, bro.
Switch sides you shoot with, depending on your angle. If you're on this side, you shoot with this side.
I can't aim with this side.
You'll get better. You gotta practice to get good at something.
Plus, my carabiner clips are on this side, not that side. How about you get that side? You get that side.
There's nobody over there. Well, he's dealing with him.
You'll be safe.
They got him. All right, you ready? Take that bunker right there. I'm gonna cover for you. Go.
I do myself covering. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Ring. Lyle. What the?
Oh, dude, I fucking got him.
Are you on auto?
Where's the battery? I don't know, bro. We've been trying to fucking figure this shit out.
Are you on full auto?
Is it done?
Yeah.
Bad boy.
Oh, I got batteries in my bag.
You deserve to. You deserve to meet my pistol. Who the heck are you shooting at?
Guy was on the roof over there. He jumped down. Good, got him.
Slap. Hello there, amigo.
Yeah, get him here.
You have joined the bunker club.
Right there. See?
You've joined the bunker club.
Come on, Chris.
I have a perfect open shot of that window.
Where's Cody? He's Chris, I don't see Cody.
We got that. Do
I
what?
know that guy. He's got a buddy right
We
over
got that right now.
He's got the OG spot.
Out, and I see him.
I've got one down on top of the hill there.
Be a guy off to the side.
He's got the
Are
OG
you guys
spot.
doing this?
One of them's out.
Hey, how do you use batteries?
I'm shooting out the window, so
They
it's
got anybody in the building? We got one guy in here unless he's out. Cody, you want to move up? Right there? See that pink tote?
pink coat.
See the pink tote right here?
Wait, there's a guy down there. There's a guy down there after.
It's alright. It builds character.
Build character.
Right there, you see it? It's pink. Run for that cover.
No, I'm gonna wait for his little head to pop out and
Yeah,
smack
you want to
him.
get a better shot though. Get closer.
Watch your left
Hey,
if you
watch
want.
it, watch it. There's a guy who's got it in the containers right there.
Hey!
Told you.
Right here on this left-hand side, I got it.
Ow, that hurt. Medic! Medic! Ow.
Out!
That seriously
Right
hurt.
the mask. Out!
Out! I don't know what he has, but that really hurt the shoulder.
The closer you are to him, the more it hurts.
I use you as armor. We run.
Are you out?
Sounds like someone's in the back over here.
We're not doing too well on this side.
Hey, directly in front of you. Yeah, I see him.
They're trying to
Take
change
a
the
look.
flag right now.
Better close it.
Trying to change the flag.
Yellow. Wow, this is actually seriously sad how you can just walk and no one hits you. The start. Bang, bang, bang.
Nice, what you got?
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Do, 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 do. Seriously though, this is really sad how I can just walk. Better for you.
Got too aggressive? You got too aggressive?
Oh, I was going and fucking they popped corner a second. I wanted to leave.
I don't know, but I have a free HPA gun. There's just an HPA gun here. Hello. Boo. Hello there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that. I hit the brim of my hat, but I'm gonna take it.
Colton, you see anybody? Right in front of me.
I'm dying. And I'm bleeding. Wait, no, I'm dead. I got shot in the head. Okay. Where is... Here we go. I'm dead. I'm a dead.
Oh,
There's a few times.
I'm the reason why you got down behind that wall. That was me peppering across the top of your head.
What's your location, Phil?
Hello.
Walking to respawn. I was wait for you. Alright. I've been putting them fucking down over here. Half our team is standing at respawn, sitting down. Half our team's just sitting at respawn. I believe it.
Yeah, I'm in the bottom floor.
Lyle. Will you shut up, radio?
But I'm staying out.
Lyle. Hi. I'm back after being dead.
You know where Vinci is. It's the great building with the... I'll find out. It's the great building.
I'm
that has
definitely
the
switching to
tower,
a
remember?
different channel. Like,
What's that?
I don't know.
Where is that? You just shot at me from somewhere.
No idea.
I don't know where that's coming from. Coming from the right?
I just got sprayed. Those are lights spray, but it was a spray.
Oh shit, right here in this window, right here.
Man, I'm dead again.
Watch out, watch out.
I'm a dead guy. I'm a dead guy. That's why I wave this around. I'm dead again.
Laying down some rounds. Better be.
Someone just pushed in the building.
I think our best bet's going from the right side.
Think so?
They're going to fucking...
Watch out, watch out. Stay out of the way, Colton. You're gonna get shot at.
Lyle, you died.
Me? No, I got 3 guys out. I haven't went out yet.
Nice.
Hey, the guy, he's one of ours in the flag area.
My boo. What are you trying to shoot?
He's right there, yeah, he's right there. He's trying to shoot me.
He's still in the atmosphere.
Ready?
Kevin, can you hear me?
Hello again. I was on the roof trying to find him.
Alright, we got a lot of friendlies on the left.
Okay, yeah, that's one of us. One of us in the. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Right in the corner.
Just run. Lyle! Where are they? Lyle, where are they?
Right back there.
Right back where? Behind the truck? Oh, the guy with the red? Who are you talking about? I'm just standing here not getting shot.
Yeah, because
Did you get him?
I gotten 4 guys out.
No. I'm gonna get my first. Go to that building and then that. We're just gonna push this side. Come on.
Watch the ridge.
Come on.
Where?
By the white truck.
Hey! White truck! White truck! White truck! White truck!
I'm going up to John.
Go for the white truck. Go, go, go. Go bunker to bunker.
Tasty. Hi, John. I've come to join you in the battle. What? Ow, hit!
Get to the window.
No, it hit me right here, whoever it was.
Where'd you get hit from?
I don't know. Whew.
Yeah, he's towards the front, right behind that hood.
We're moving up the hill, soldier.
Okay.
Do we even have a medic up here?
I don't know. Medic!
Oh. Damn.
Yeah. Hey, brother. I did the same thing earlier today.
Hello, soldier.
How's it going?
Nice, good hit. Alright, bud, sorry I didn't see you. Right in the face, please. Thank you. You scared the shit out of me. In the window. The far left window. Far left? In the yellow. Oh. Hey, sorry, go ahead. There's a boy down the right. On the right side of the corner. Down the right. Down right below.
Are they in that yellow corner?
Let's find out.
All the snipers are in there. Yeah, look out.
We both gonna count this now? Is he good or is he down? One's down.
Teammate. Hey, you got a medic over there?
No, medic outside. Or is he a medic?
Oh, I got to shoot the gun with me.
Okay. Sorry, my guy over there.
Wait, what color are you?
I'm dead.
What color are you?
Tan. The tan.
Okay.
Oh my God! Tan guy!
He's chilling there.
Fellas, down. I don't want to hit you down.
I'm dead.
Did he make it?
Yeah, he made it. Tactical clearing, go, go, go!
Green, green!
behind you. What's that red? Close, I got you. That's blue. That's blue. Push up, you're good. Green! Green, green, green! Green, green! Great job.
Green.
We need a medic, Harry. Green?
We're green.
Everything's green in here.
I still got shot.
Hey, we got medics over there.
Womp womp. Happens to the best of us.
Huh.
There was one.
Oh, minigun.
Hi.
Somebody over there, let's see, moved already. He's firing at us.
They thought they had us in our spawn. What happened to everybody?
We're down below. Down below.
You read that?
That was loud.
Yeah.
Green medic. Where's Rocket? Hey!
You hit it? I heard that.
Yeah, he is right there.
Thank you.
Dragon Man.
They thought they had us. I'm just following up behind you guys.
How far we go? So we just gonna go capture that flag over there? There's a key in this house right down here that I'm going.
I see a yellow flag. Yeah. You stupid pants. I felt your pain before. I felt your pain before. I know.
I need a medic, man.
A lot. We're a ragtag army.
What he said.
I've seen 3 of you, so I started shooting. I didn't know how many of them there were.
We've taken your content. Hit!
He shot me in the ass.
Hey, I'm dead. I need to check.
I didn't know where I was.
That'd be hilarious.
Good job, guys.
Oh, is there? Oh, out of here. What'd you say?
Friendly fire.
You want to go see if you can find a medic and get like 9 of us up so we don't have to walk all the way back?
I'd like that.
It's gonna spawn ice back.
Got
Well, they did it to the other guy on the team. It's kind of rude.
we got
What? Oh.
I'm dying.
Another dead green coming out. There's a lot. Oh, he's going down the road. Lots of dead green on the ride. Oh, one guy was stuck up behind us. They got him though. Happy walks, you know, they're all coming back. Here, I will be I'll take that. Well, I was not going to be the better person like that. Are y'all pushing?
Yeah.
Right side, that's where I died. On the fall in the path. Here's Joe before me, that there's you guys in there. Yeah, I think back to the road. Double bucket.
Somebody's right there. Right there.
Right there, I go through.
Someone's right there too. But they're blue.
What?
They're blue. They aren't shooting them, so they must be blue.
Where are we going after that flag? I guess.
Yeah, most likely yes. Whew. I'm gonna become one with the trees. Hello.
So, got him.
There's someone over there.
Yeah.
I hear those
He
right here.
pushed right. That's what's up. Push back a little bit. Hey!
There's a guy down there.
Is he that way or that way?
He's that way. But the enemies are that way.
Not it!
I've brought the wounded.
I got like 3 or 4 of those guys.
One sit. He's right over there. He's right there. He's right there.
Ref, coming to the tree.
Hi, Braden.
Hudson, was that your bitch ass?
Ooh,
Were you the one that just sprayed into this tree line?
possibly.
LMGs are in short bursts, you know this. Don't do it again. Because you know if you do it too many times, I'm going to have to tell John, and then John's going to make me pull all LMGs from the field. So don't do that, please. Also, I fucking shot you through the tree line. 4 O's are the way to go. God damn it.
Oh, hit! Fuck. You got me this time. Damn. The other time you shot right in front of me, man.
I was hoping it'd make it through the trees.
Yeah, no, well, the first time you were over there,
Yeah.
you did it, but it went like right in front of me. Close though.
I saw your legs move. I was like, oh.
Okay. I'm a medic too, so I'm just here for no reason.
Being dead is nice. Or at least when you're out here, because then you can get a break and feel that wind.
You got